Hello, my wonderful, busy homemaker friends. How are you? And I have a quick carpet tip for you. If you've got area rugs or wall-to-wall carpeting, oh my gosh, tip is a real lifesaver. It saved me so many times. And it's when you got like spills from uh your fruit punch or coffee spills or your Coca-Cola spills or orange pop and it's on your rug. Ugh, who wants to be sitting there grabbing the spray carpet cleaner and a bunch of rags and a big towel when you got a big spill, blotting it up, and praying that it's not going to stain? Who wants to do that? That is ridiculous. Now, there's one easy, quick way to get rid of that whole stain within 5 minutes if you catch it right away. And even if you don't, then you can try to get it later, and more than likely, it will come out. And what do you need for that quick, clean carpet trick? You need a rug shampooer. Yes, I said a rug shampooer. You've got wall-to-wall carpeting, you've got area rugs. A lot of you have the light carpeting, the real white carpeting, which is really nice. Or you got pets, and what happens, your pet has an accident. Ugh, I don't want to think about that. But anyway, the carpet shampooer, a blessing in disguise. I've had mine ever since I've had a dog years ago. For the carpet fur and for the fur in the carpet and all that. Now, when Messy Marvin spills, the first thing you do, go and grab that rug shampooer. Fill the bin up with plain water, plain warm water. You don't even have to put soap in there if you don't want to, the carpet shampoo. Doesn't matter. If you think you need it, get it in there really quick. They usually recommend 1 to 2 capfuls. That's for a whole room. I would not use that much. I would use a half of a capful. Unless you want to do the whole room with it, that's up to you while you got it out. I've done that too when Messy Marvin spilled. Now, let's say it's a coffee stain. No, let's say Coca-Cola, because that's common. And that really gets in the rug. It just oozes in there. Get that carpet cleaner. Get that hot water. Not hot, but medium warm water in there. Get it in that thing, in the carpet shampoo machine. Scrub that thing back and forth on that carpet right away if you can. I always tell them, let me know right away when you spill. Don't let it stain. Let me know. I will get it out. And within 5 minutes of you just wetting the carpet, don't forget to turn on the fan and the ceiling fan in the room to get that dry. Or sometimes either up the air conditioning or up the heat if you want to get it to dry right away. That helps also. But within 5 minutes, oh yeah, you're sometimes your arm's gonna hurt. Oh yeah, if you're not used to it, going back and forth trying to clean up a big spill. But you're gonna see like magic that carpeting stain is gonna disappear. I would not be without my rug shampooer, a rug shampooer in general, because of that. Now the throw rugs are easy. You could toss them in the wash, spray them with the pre-treat. That's easy enough. But when you've got big area rugs that you don't want to be dragging back and forth to the cleaners or to the big laundromat with the big bins, this is a huge lifesaver. And especially if you've got coffee spillers or if your dog has an accident occasionally. And if they go, dogs get older, sometimes they can't hold it. This is a real lifesaver. And I would not be without my rug shampoo because of it at all. Now, my friends, you know I'm a home organizer. You know I am the decluttering queen. So I offered my group a special rate, but I'm going to offer you a special rate. It may not be as good as my group rate for the people in my group. If you want to get that right, you got to get in the group. I'll give you your cleaning consultation, your decluttering, your pantry, so you could get everything set up for Easter, because we've got less than a month for Easter. And if you're like me, you want the spring cleaning done, you want the pantry in perfect condition, you want to just be able to sit back and say, bring on Easter, let's go, I'm ready, I did it, I'm done, I'm accomplished. Give me a shout if you need that. Give me a hashtag replay. Let me know how you deal with Messy Marvin and Coca-Cola stains, and fruit punch and all that good stuff. Because within 5 minutes, mine is done with the carpet shampooer, and it is drying. And hallelujah, what a stress reliever. Well, my wonderful friends, thank you for your time so much. And I will see you here later on. Bye.